right? So it's like 15 round trips or something. It wasn't crazy. So lifestyle, it's not just, and then it's not getting cars, like getting like a Rolls Royce or getting, 6-figure cars. All of that started with like pictures on the wall. It sounds stupid. It's almost silly to even share it with you. I feel like, is it even really worth sharing? Because of how silly and stupid it sounds on the surface, that I would put pictures on my wall of things that I wanted and then go to work to get them. It sounds real basic. Now, I'll bet there's a graveyard out there, people that put pictures on the walls and never got them, right? There's probably a lot of people that tried that method and it didn't work, but I think that there's a way to make it work. And that's essentially why I spend time with you guys every single day. If I didn't believe that there was a way to make it work for you, then I wouldn't be here. I just have better things to do with my time. Like, you guys ever hear a statement, action speaks louder than words? So I'm not paid to do these. I'm not doing them for my company. I'm doing them for somebody else's company. Jeff Long has a company called Internet Income System. I volunteer my time 5 days a week, 2 hours a day to serve. And then I usually give a couple hours a week of consulting on top of that, just for free. I don't charge for it. Just do it for free to help out. Action speaks louder than words. You have to kind of look at this, and I could tell you all day long that I believe in this, but those are just words. In fact, maybe empty words, because maybe other people have told you they believe in things. Action speaks louder than words. I'm here on a volunteer basis. Okay. If at the time of this, Tuesday, April 2nd, I haven't even started really promoting this. I promoted once 6 months ago. I haven't even promoted it in 6 months. I don't think I've signed up anybody new in 6 months. I've just been volunteering. I've just been hanging out, teaching you guys.